convict Wontumi. And Chairman Wontumi law court catch and say omra no me be the defense. Or ye wagadre azan on peso beye. The Attorney General the na asem nyina egu table so. In some of the two Chairman Wontumi so nyina wa kan nyina de witnesses nyina aba. Yes, Chairman Wontumi be you one no say asem Attorney General king oboa na omwa. First one Chairman Wontumi call say on tiasie ena ebubu no say still bra na be you one no the Attorney General dey be two tables so e wo court na odi na danse fo aba no be kire mu say adanse no boa the Attorney General boa fa wo so ngina so bra Chairman Wontumi ye kokwa asa on ne lawyers na onim and Attorney General kokodo say Chairman Wontumi o say nkan na oba court na odi the defense obe bie ni defense na so our witnesses are on for witnesses nemra na mo meka say ampa the Attorney General kind oboa ye na ye adanse former Chairman Wontumi asem we enya no kre we enya no kre no ebesi nne ende Chairman Wontumi mbra court no wamba oba court a wamfa adanse amba ono so a wamba bie the defense and Attorney General catch a judge not akonyum say judge chinitum because Chairman Wontumi e delay Ghana for time or say yesika because today they went to court number so no resource sika etua judge no sika etua Attorney General sika ye spend ye no ye taxpayers ni etua Attorney General say madam judge Mr. Judge akwano always see a time about 3 weeks ago and I catch say ombie the case ebesi ne ontumi mie chinitum because eno na me catch out that nyina say my me case wie me case nyina ngina so no say wabo Ghana kro no we di e bone chinitum now obu free court no and the judge ne say or my Chairman Wontumi to the 5th of May Chairman Wontumi mra embe bie the defense or else or the judgment beba now a PF free court no and a Chairman Wontumi lawyer unim the problem muntie the problem.
That statement is very unfortunate. Indeed, it is prejudicial for the AG to have made that statement that the court should continue to convict the accused persons. It is very unfortunate, especially coming from the Attorney General who doubles as the Minister for Justice. He forgets that the justice system needs an Attorney General and a Minister of Justice who will preside over fair trials and fair decisions from the courts. But this, we have an Attorney General who is trying for the court to convict an accused person who has not been opening his defense. So it's a very unfortunate statement on becoming of an Attorney General who is in a hurry to seek conviction of somebody in criminal trial.
But it was born from the fact that the defense lawyers failed, for want of a better word, to file their defense as was directed or ordered by the court.
The defense lawyers did not file the witness statement as of choice, not we failed, because we have a process before the Court of Appeal whose determination will affect the procedure or the proceedings. So it is incumbent on us to take full advantage of opportunities available to us as defense lawyers in a criminal trial. And this is something that happens all the time, that if a decision comes from a lower court and you are dissatisfied with the decision, the opportunities are there for you to go up to a higher court, which is the Court of Appeal, to file the necessary process to seek justice. So we did everything allowed by law, and that we had opportunities. And don't forget that the Constitution has a provision that accused persons must be given adequate time, preparation, and even resources to be able to defend themselves when they are before a trial court. So the defense team, in their wisdom, decided that we have to file, repeat the application at the Court of Appeal, which we did. And having filed it, we thought that it was necessary for the court to stay until that application is heard in the Court of Appeal.
What did you say? Yenna Jimmy Kakra. You court no yebusa Chairman Wontumi lawyer. So lawyer. O client also dibem. chere na asem a chere se odibema adentina and the Wontumi anya ose ono de end yakrampo say your brofu be a friend prejudicial say chere say ose onte ase say and the attorney general na begina court ka che judge say ono de papa mu no nsem o de abedu court e de nsem yegu table no so no yenche Wontumi ntum ose on TV da adentina ose attorney general ne kasa inti the court of appeal the all Kenya no so on tiase na attorney general gina court no from day one no the entina na attorney general gina court we kwasea. Then what are you trying to say attorney general no he's not supposed to call for the conviction of Wontumi or say adentina also attorney general no e ka kire court say Wontumi entumi be the defense a yemfa Wontumi kotum or say on tiase Ghana attorney general de nisan koye sa adentina attorney general tumi ka say yenche ne client nintum na abuofunu oyesa attorney general oba court no say Wontumi ho fenti na oba court na say be Wontumi or ejimijimi a ne be ma hwe left ne na hwe left and ne ni hwe left ntina oba court na the attorney general is in court to convict Wontumi. The reason why the attorney general is in court every day with Chairman Wontumi is to make sure Wontumi is arrested, is convicted, is jailed, and then in the principle into our court. And if today the attorney general is telling the judge say Akwa Wontumi be the defense chinituma apia kubia de nimsa watchman na say I on tiasie na okasa no na journalist for say na chairman o client sebio also be the defense who said defense or bola la sule on person beye ami hu ono so defense ntina ama attorney general e ka record say yan chini ntuma na o se da bi ade ne de ye case bi wa appeals court. In fact, time I can't Chairman Wontumi MBA the defense no. Judge no take case no so can say ampa MBA no. Chairman Wontumi ni apeku be so monti omho asin to we asem ko appeals court. Or say asem appeals court nti or say see ade de eni so be the defense na e wo so okọ appeals court no ko tie the appeals court ne beka. Ansa na ma ba be Chairman Wontumi defense. Enti na omo MBA omo defense no. Na sebio emra no kura kire say the asem to obi so na sebio asem no omo kire ne ho ase a e wo say oman no ma nipa no emre na oman no sama nipa no akande na oman no ma nipa no sebio mrema otumi dada no ho ye de opeso ye akwaya boa afi wo de omo ye they are frustrating the court. They are looking at the loopholes in the system. Anytime catcher will say South Ghana can say abandoning person prosecutor I also okwa okasemu ye because at this moment who is delaying the case? It is Chairman Wontumi, it is Apia Kubi because they no Chairman Wontumi is guilty. Because that case now, Judge Nika say, still, Chairman Wontumi be the defense, almost someone tears into appeals court for interpretation. The question here is, so would it be you will still open your defense and prove to the court to say your client is not guilty. But because they can't open their defense, to say the attorney general can they are trying to hide behind your appeal into your appeal. At this point, are you going to blame the attorney general or you are going to blame the judicial system? You are blaming the judicial system because the criminals know the loopholes in our judicial system. Until they are taking advantage of it. Until Apia Kubi Chairman Wontumi lawyer now. Or say we are taking advantage. Because someone will say our judicial system is weak. Someone will say they can dilly-dally. They can lie their way out. And until right now they are saying they are not going to open their defense and that they are going to appeals court. Because Chairman Wontumi also he's not guilty. Now, as a judge say he's insisting, Chairman Wontumi MBA the defense NT or no asem. Now, Chairman Wontumi is not bold enough to open his case because your boldness in opening your case shows how you not guilty you are, because you can prove beyond reasonable doubt that you can punch holes into the attorney general statement and his witness statement. But because Apia Kubidi Chairman Wontumi, they know they cannot punch holes in a attorney general's tight case. They are now relying on using the appeals court to delay the case. It's in a normal day, Senka Chairman Wontumi and using the appeals court as an excuse and concern and say convicted Chairman Wontumi because he has failed to open his defense twice. Why are we here? Are you going to blame the government? Are you going to blame the attorney general? You can't blame them because the attorney general has done his job. Now it's left with the court to make sure that a decision is made. Now, Chairman Wontumi and Apia Kubi are using the same court that is supposed to be fair in trials as we sit here. Entire then yetna man there obitina radio so TV so can say I have a problem with the attorney general. I am not saying the attorney general is perfect. There are some things that attorney general does that frustrates everybody. But when the attorney general does his job or their job, we need to also justify the reason why I need to blame one. The criminals always find ways to go find ways to do what? Take advantage of the judicial system, our court processes. That is what you are seeing today. That is what you are seeing today. And remember, politicians, sub your court not check. And you see, an internet MPP, Kwasiebi or semi-call law school, Kwasiebi or semi-lawyer, what they do is that they are not going to law to defend people. They are going to law school. They don't go to law school to go and defend anybody or make sure they do the right thing. They are going to law school to find loopholes in our judicial system or our court system to protect themselves as criminals. And that is what the MPP lawyers do. Akufo Addo a lawyer. Akufo Addo a lawyer because he said he was a lawyer because he wanted to be in that fraternity so that they can take advantage of the judicial system or the court system to defend their criminal acts. Politicians going into law. They are not going to law to come and serve. They are going to law to go look for the loopholes to protect their criminal deeds. And Apia Kubi is also protecting another criminal politician. Until every day he will come and start to look for the loopholes and say, Yako appeals, this is not right. We don't understand this. But he knows the judgment is right before him. In Tinkawe a fast track court and Wontumi and then say convicted because if you don't open your defense, the judge has no option than to make sure he does what he writes his judgment. Why is he failing to write come up with his defense? He does not have defense. The case the Attorney General presented is airtight. Right now, what they are doing is they are doing some machinations behind the scenes to see, say, they will get some people to change their mind. They are doing some things behind the scenes. This is when the money paying comes in. This is where the bribery, the corruption comes in. This is where they call, oh, yeah, Papa Akufo, can you call this judge? This is where they say, oh, yeah, Papa Akufo, this is what they are doing behind the scenes. This is where they use their so-called statesmen to convince judges, convince people in charge. This is when they use the money they have stolen to do what? To shift the cases. He's going to use the influence of some ex-presidents, some ex-statesmen, some statesmen. He's going to use the influence of some pastors. This is where he needs to use money to save himself. This is where they are. So, Apia Kubi is going to mark time. And every day he marks time, he tells Chairman Wontumi, bring more money. May try to convince this person. When person case is too sensitive. Kevin tell the judge and the credibility is on the line. She doesn't or he doesn't want to understand. The people who work with him, the second. So this is where the chess comes in. Chess no more bono. This is where the chess come in. The criminal chess, and this chess can go on for years. And you'll be sitting there and saying, I didn't because this is where Asikana Uria, he's using it. And you see, Apia Kubi, this is where he needs to make his money. So I don't expect the judge to basically postpone this case on the 5th of April and May. This case needs to end. Such a to be on the 5th when be the defense. This case needs to end. And on the 5th of May, say judge way and to me and the case way and actually to me and be the defense. I can put the judge's picture up here. And we all need to question the judge. Because for about 2 times, Chairman Wontumi has failed to open his defense. Because from the judge's own judgment, he is very convinced that Chairman Wontumi needs to open his defense. Whatever happens in appeals court, the judge does not care. Chairman Wontumi, if he knows he's not guilty, he will open his defense, even if the case is at appeals court. Why is he using the appeals court as a distraction, as basically an obstacle to avoid opening his case? Asante Bediatuo, Court shoots down Edubuahin's attempt to disguise his private company's receipt as that of National Signals Bureau. Edubuahin and the court, Edubuahin kofa a year receipt to be by. And the Bachelor court say, oh, we are national security for National Signal Bureau for Omu receipt ya Troye. And I court said that be sa receipt way a whole company receipt. Because also Edubuahin will be a company, no. Obi the company the same name at that National Signal Bureaus no obi the same company and or the same name too so and the Edubuahin tries so be and say or the a fake receipt na nkopeso obede replace or be replace the National Signal Bureau for receipt na oka kire court say sa receipt we enya meme dia National Signal Bureau for dia and a court say oboa ya che no and a court ka say sa receipt no monje. And remember, Edubuahemo will go to appeals court on this judgment if there was a judgment on this. Sadia way, Edubuahin's lawyers will go to appeals court and say they want explanation from appeals court. Adentina, judge not yakunyumuno, while rejecting receipt. That is what they do. It's the loopholes in the judicial system, the loopholes in the court system. That is our problem as a nation. And politicians know that. They have been stealing from us for a long time. They have studied the system. Hey, all the criminal cases in court now, almost one step, they will take 4 steps back. And it's not the fault of the Attorney General. It's not the fault of the state. It is because our judicial system is weak. Our court system is weak. It is because they know. It is know all the criminal cases you are looking at. Every day they take a step forward, they will take 4 steps back. All because they know the appeals court is there for them. Within a case, a judge will make a determination or a judge will rule on something. Everything the judge rules on, in which is against them or not in their favor, they will go to appeals court. And imagine, talking about just receipts alone, onyanko, other things. So receipts alone, when the judge rules on 7 things, Edubuahin Dems will go to appeals court 7 times. Now, appeals court is not sitting there just for Edubuahin. There are other cases the appeals court is doing. So what is going to happen is now the case starts to stall. They start to wait. The case start to drag. Case and between these 6 months, then this guy can be in court for 3 years. Then you're going to blame the Attorney General. What has the Attorney General done? Enti ene Edubuahin wey the receipt on the company receipt chere court say sa receipt na on the company receipt na National Signal Bureau for the enomoche no and a judge said abi yenji sa receipt we. So you can see they know what they are doing. And you see this alone they can say no, it is for a national security. No, it is this. Okay, then we are going to appeals court. And that's what they do. That is what they do. They are going to use the court against us, the people. They are going to waste our time in a court because all that the Attorney General can do is to present our case as a nation, present our evidence, present our witnesses, and say, these are my cases, these are my witnesses, this is what I have. It is up to them to defend themselves. They will not open defense. They will still go back to appeals court on every single evidence the Attorney General puts before the court because that is their strategy of delaying cases. They have the money. Here, Mameka Bibincho. Say criminal politicians, the first year or 2, or sometimes the 3rd year, because they have money and their lawyers know so they go to appeals court easily. Because when there's a case in the high court, now okasa judgment to be aba case in appeals court, your lawyer will say yes, let's go, because the lawyer is being paid by the hour. He's being paid. The more you delay the cases, the lawyer makes more money. So no lawyer will tell you not to go to appeals court. Now remember, going to appeals court is a lot of money. Now you are going to file, you are going to pay the lawyer his time, his firm, how many hours they spend on the appeals court case, just for the appeal, Because you have money, the lawyer too will just basically tell you, let's go to appeals court. Now they start to get wise after a year or 2 or 3 when they get to know that the appeals decisions no more appeals court any lawyer almost can start say sape that you say they stop to go to appeals court. So Owusu 3 lawyers about afena tiaba 2 lawyers. Or you see 2 lawyers about afena tiaba 1 lawyer because now they are depleting their resources. They are depleting the money. And so what's the criminal cases after 2.5 years now you could see say the accused they don't go to appeals court again. The accused their lawyers drop A3 anaka 2, A2 anaka 1. The appeals, almost have any form. Then they are facing the case because the money na go na from the beginning. Because Obi say give to worry. Obi to make appeals court for 2 years. Yes. Obi say about Wontumi. Obi to make appeals court for 2 years to 2.5 years. Saga we sika Obi to me ako appeals court for 2-3 years. All because there's money, and the more money you have, the more you can slow down a case. the more you can frustrate the court. It's these people, in this first year, second year, it's not going to be easy for the Attorney General. No. They have the money. They have the money to stall the case. They have the money to slow the case down. They have the money to go to appeals. Because so you see 3 lawyers, or call appeals court, he will pay all the 3 lawyers. Or by being appeals, he has money. Sikari started say sampe no ate lawyer anas ba akoso na aka 2 afi o ha no ate lawyer anas so how about now onye interested in appeals court to be. Then it starts the interjection. I am sick. I want medical leave. My client is not doing well. On appeals court too. Both are and lawyer and started catch a judge. My client cannot come today because he's not well. He has a doctor's report because now he has to use doctor's report, fake reports, not to come to court. He cannot go back to appeals court because it is money. Into Omono, after 2.5 years, that is when they get to know their money is being depleted. Lawyers did musika. Start to use it health their excuses to drag cases. So they have a strategy. Into Chebia, about the chairman to Rebecca Soyare. Yes. And Chebia give to our Rebecca Soyare. And Chebia about say Eduboy to Rebecca Soyare. Now they will not go to appeals court again because Oma is exhausted. The moment you want to go to appeals court, this is money. Now, Ocheki Sika or send na Sikanesa into right now, lawyer, write a letter and tell the court that I am going to London for a medical checkup. Tell the court that I am sick, I am not doing well. And we have seen this game play over and over. And that's how it works. Now you are understanding political prosecution. And they know it, and that is what they do. These are things they do to frustrate government, to frustrate the court. Imagine, remember, court this will break, so the court breaks. Sometimes they go on about 4-month break. Sometimes judges sitting on case, they have to attend to medical issues. Sometimes some miscellaneous things happen. So you need to understand. That is why we need a fast track court. Their job is to make sure a case in delay because the judge be about slower. There's another judge to replace you in 24 hours to take over the case. Anything I may say, the Chief Justice should embrace AI. We should also allow the tools to help us in our court. We should use the system well. We should make sure, judges are on time. We are getting enough judges to sit on cases quickly. Because the idea of one judge sitting on 10 cases, and why you need to get enough judges in there, you need to make sure the judges are given assignments, little assignments. 1 judge, 2 cases, make sure within 2 months you are finished. But ultimately, 1 judge, 7 cases, not medical leave, not 7 cases to work. We need to try and find a way to ease the system. The system is choked. The way we have set it up is not helping us. And Monsha Assembia is Ghana a dangerous being sida. Gofredame. Gofredame Otumi Soranopa na or shopping for judges. Otumi shopping for judges. Otumi Sorano a list of judges. Also we Gofredame no ya Attorney General. And the Gofredame catcher say judges risk denting judicial independence. Gofredame was a former Attorney General who was caught on tape. Gofredame yetchin wo tape so na wako Supreme Court judge ho or catcher say sebio obi nkodi atron to obi so na onjeli ni Gofredame Ghana na yejimi anka o obi ti say Iran anka hange no Gofredame ewrade and the Gofredame catcher say and judges no omo nyom adwuma and yes, I almost say the judicial independence, Omangasa and Diomo, Omu Juma and said Gofredame. Ghana ni Jimmy, a Krobianka Gofredame ko Jáil, Gofredame. Everything about judges, lawyers will boom Rabiaso. A Krobianka Bejin a law certificate referring him. This is a disgusting human being. Mesenko Irana and Kedebesania Humaso, near catchers Oman and Nami and Indian Sifom, Bakubesi Bakunsi, Wenko Wudadada. And come hanging away. But today, because of the so-called democracy we enjoy in Ghana, Kwasebia dia boni we are not sakotina sidelines no kan kwasiasem. Na oto ayampia, Gofredame. Me say, anka Iran or wa, anka be hangeno, na anka because all forcing for the 9 million see from the same time. Call to me nye. Anka dia homa be so no kon Iran no kopie ya. This is a criminal guy. This is a corrupt Attorney General. Mesinka Iran no kopie ya anke da homabeso no kon ne da so duaso ne kan se on force na 9 million see form at the same time on to me. But you see, We sit in Ghana and every foolish person commits crimes, fool around. We caught this guy on tape. An accused person. He negotiating with an accused person. So Obinko Chantro, this idiot. Kwasi Ampenyi we da hon in Ghana ma. Ghana for catch the MPP for say Godfrey Dame a lawyer. Ye Jimintra. This guy when he was an attorney general, from what we saw, the 5 days of Godfrey Dame, I attending ka tape so on the accused person and negotiating to convince going to Supreme Court judge's house no e krobia so anka case bia Godfrey Dame handle bia no nke betwam. This guy illegally found ways to prosecute people illegally based on what we heard on tape. Kwasi Ampenyi we, he has jailed people for no reason. There were people, Godfrey Dame as the prosecutor, jailed na a personal omundi boni bia per what we heard on the tape. Kwasi we in Ghana. Me say anka owo Irana anka the homabe so kon near the number form say unfortunately 9 million see form at the same time all to me nye. Kwasi asem ne te Ghana. Ya so kwasi asem so because democracy is not good for the black man. Akwa we nya kukuduro ka che say and the court no nye no mu guom hu ni ma say Godfrey Dame. This is a guy who snitched on Gloria Akufo. Sammy Akufo Addo pamo Gloria Akufo resigning because he wanted to just jail people he doesn't like. Me say ye niminyansa nkekro ya papa anka case bia Godfrey Dame ya attorney general every time MPP lose power nke betwa case nya obi ejeli ni bia nke be fie. This guy goes around shopping for judges. He shops for judges. We are madam for we mbeso ye djuma we mame. This guy Akufo Addo sent me to make you do this. Godfrey Dame. Awurade Agyapong.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.